So today we're going to talk about knowing the status of a component or pattern within your design system. So the problem is that the developer and the designer workflow has long been an issue. So yes, applications like Jira help us in a big way to get organized. But the gap has always been knowing the status of the design or development in situ of the actual design or the code itself for one of our components or our patterns. So we're going to show you how Knapsack has a solution for this. So we are on the public demo, so Knapsack's public demo. We are on the components overview page. And as you can see, you've got a component status table. And very easily, you can see that this pattern, so for example, let's take button, its design is ready, its React component, its React code is ready, but the web component needs development. So it's really clear, simple and easy to see the status of your design or code for a component in flight.